Okay, January 3rd, 2021, Tyler Hayes here, 1931, southbounder coming in hot to start off part 2. Here we go. Jivo in front! Manifest this time! 2873! 3810! Second slot! Take that back, this was potash train, B788! Here's the last of it, rear DPU! Tier 4, 3122! Another MEI rebuild! Nice! Now that's what I'm talking about. So there you go, that was the B788. It's led by the 2873 with the Tier 4 credit ES44 AC3810 and the MEI rebuild of CNET44 AC3122. Amazing. That's gonna do it for that one. Okay, 2004 northbound around the way. Let's see what we got as we lean back and get him. Here we go. Gate drop. GMD in front! Who is that? 5340! 5721, 326, and 3837. Northbound Woodtick, PROX 92746, and the train device is going. How about that? Very nice. Oh man, I gotta tell you, what a way to start off 2020 for me. I'll tell you, for the new year rail fanning, no harm done with that. Managed to get me my 8th MEI rebuild and another GMD SD40-2W as well. After all those years of rail fanning, state of Wisconsin that'll be. I guess it doesn't get no better than that. but I will take it. So I guess I'm going to wrap things up tonight, as the northbound Woodtick is the last train for today to wrap up the first official weekend of 2021. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully I'll do more rail fanning next time. And I will see you down the main line. From Ladysmith, Tyler Hayes out.